At this year's Association of the U.S. Army show, held in Washington, D.C. from the 8th to the 10th of October, Army Futures Command gave further insight into its Next Generation Combat Vehicles, or NGCV program. The program covers a whole family of vehicles and future capabilities, but its number one priority is replacing the Bradley fighting vehicle, which is now deemed by the U.S. Army to be nearing the end of its useful service life. 3 initial pitches for the Bradley replacement were evident at AUSA 2018. BAE Systems displayed its CV-90 Mark IV infantry fighting vehicle, which is the 5th generation of the CV-90. Raytheon, meanwhile, announced it was teaming with Germany's Rheinmetall and displayed the latter's Lynx Kf-41 infantry fighting vehicle, which was designed for export, in particular to address the Australian Army's Land 400 Phase 3 requirement. And General Dynamics Land Systems exhibited its Griffin 3 technology demonstrator. This is not GD's actual bid for the NGCV program, but a company official told Janes it incorporates a lot of things the Army has a desire for in the Bradley replacement. Beyond replacing the Bradley, the NGCV effort also covers the Armoured Multi-Purpose Vehicle, which is essentially a replacement for the M113 family of vehicles, the Mobile Protected Firepower Vehicle, which will replace what was the Sheridan light tank in the Army's light divisions, a subfamily of robotic combat vehicles to carry loads, conduct reconnaissance missions and mount weapons, and eventually a platform to deliver decisive lethality to replace the M1 Abrams main battle tank. For this platform, Army Futures Command was at pains to point out that it doesn't have to be a tank.
Is what we do to
Brigadier
replace
General Ross
decisive
Kaufman,
lethality.
the director of Army Futures Command's NGCV cross-functional team, told an audience at AUSA with regard to the Abrams replacement, "Anything's on the table. We want industry feedback for decisive lethality. If that is run by a flux capacitor, hovers and has a ray gun, and we can make that work at a reasonable cost, then absolutely we would look at it."